Hello, guys. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. Previously, we've learned how to switch from the classic editor to the Wix Studio editor. Today, we are going to do a little virtual tour around the Wix Studio workspace, perfect for those who are new to Wix Studio or those who just like to check it out before making the switch. Let's get started. This is the Wix Studio Workspace. It's like the command center for your business or agency. Here, instead of jumping between different accounts or tabs, you'll have a centralized dashboard to manage multiple sites, teams, and clients. Let's talk about what you can do here and start with the top elements first. We have the Wix Studio logo, which is also clickable. And every time you click on it, it will take you to the main page of your workspace, which is the Discover page. We also have the Workspaces dropdown. This is where you can see your agency or business profile. This is also where you can create a new workspace for a different agency, just in case you're running multiple agencies or working for multiple agencies or businesses. Next, we have the All Sites dropdown. This is where you'll see all of your previously created websites. This is also where you can create a new one. Next, we have the Resources dropdown, where you can learn more about Wix Studio and a lot more. We also have the Community dropdown, where you can access the Wix Studio community, community forum, and more. We also have the Help dropdown, equipped with AI in case you've got any questions or need some help. And on the right, we have the notification bell for notifications. We have the News Center for latest news. And we have the Profile dropdown. This is where you can log out of your account. Now let's move on to the elements on the left panel. Here we have the Discover section, where you can check out tutorials, see latest updates, and play around with their interactive sandboxes. Next, let's go to Sites on the left. This is where you can see and manage all of the sites you've previously created. Next, we have Mobile Apps. This is where you can create a native mobile app without needing any coding. Next, we have templates. So here, browse through stunning and functional templates to help kickstart your project. Next, let's go to custom apps. This is where you can design reusable apps on Wix Studio's editor, develop features, and publish apps to also start selling. Next, we have the client experience button, where you can get client feedback conveniently and efficiently and manage them all in one convenient place. Also, take advantage of client kits, client reports, custom branding, and CRM and client billing. Next, we have billings and subscriptions, where you can manage your premium subscriptions, domains, business email, billing history, payment methods, and vouchers. Moving on, we're going to go to customer care tickets. This helps you manage all your support tickets. We have agency profile. So, this is a program you can join to create an agency profile that you can share with clients to showcase your skills and expertise. Then we have earnings, where you can see and manage revenue streams and payouts. Then we have teams, where you can invite and manage team members for specific projects. And finally, we have settings, where you can configure essential workspace details such as your workspace info, site URL prefix, and delete your workspace if needed in the future. And that's a brief and basic tour of the Wix Studio workspace. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.